this song is tuned down a half step, that means your low E string is going to be an E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, B flat, E flat. Some tuners will have it set at D sharp, G sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A sharp, D sharp. The chord shapes for this song in the left hand are going to be C, G, A minor, and then A minor 7. We start out with the thumb on the 5th string like this, then second finger, 2nd fret A string like this, so it goes, then 3rd fret A string like that. Then the middle finger plucks the open G, index plucks the D string, thumb plucks the A string. Like that. Then after that, then I'm plucking the B string with my middle finger like this, index on open G, thumb on the D string, and then index on G again. Then 3rd finger, 3rd fret E string, middle finger open D, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. Then middle finger, open D, middle finger, open G, open D, 2nd fret A string, open D. So far. Then A minor shape in the left hand. Open A with the thumb, middle finger plucks the G, index plucks the D, like that. Middle finger plucks the B string, index on the G, thumb on the D. Then index on G again. It does that again. Now open A, thumb, middle finger on the B string, index on the G, thumb on the D. Now the pinky has to go on the 3rd fret of the E string, and I'm using my ring finger there on the high E like that. Then middle finger on the B string, like that. Now if you want, you could use the middle finger on the high E like this, and then index on the B. That's also an option. Let's run through the whole thing at a slower tempo. Now at performance tempo. that was the tutorial for Simple Man by Lynyrd Skynyrd. If you have any questions about this song, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And thank you for watching.